What happened to the food when we eat, eh?
It will turn to poop lah. What else?
No lah.
No lah. Come, I tell you. Action. Before the food become poop, it will undergo a process called as digestion.
Oh, is it the process of breaking down the large molecule into small molecules for the body to absorb?
Yes, correctly. Digestion system consists of alimentary canal or GI tract, which is gastrointestinal tract, and accessory gland. There are 4 main accessory glands, which is liver, pancreas, gallbladder, and also salivary gland.
So basically, the food processing is consists of 4,
Yes.
which are ingestion, digestion,
Yes.
absorption, and elimination.
Yes.
Hello everyone, so basically what she has eaten just now is yummy fried sausage and creamy egg sandwich. So basically what is consists of sausage? Sausage is consists of protein, fat, what? Egg sandwich consists of carbohydrate and protein. So now we are in our mouth. The digestive system starts in our oral cavity through that mechanical digestion. When she eats the sausage and the egg sandwich, our teeth will chew the food into a smaller particle. Ew, what is this? Saliva? Eee. For your information, at the same time, salivary gland will deliver the saliva, which containing salivary amylase. Salivary amylase will break down the carbohydrates, which is polysaccharide, into a smaller polysaccharides. So then, the tongue will shape the small particles into a bolus.
Oh, hello there. As you can see, we are in the bolus right now. Sorry, it's a little bit tight in here as in my body can't fit in. This bolus will go on a journey through a tube called as esophagus, but it cannot move by its own. The movement of bolus is called as peristalsis. It is the alternating waves of contraction and relaxation of the smooth muscles lining in the canal. So next, let's go to the stomach.
When the bolus reaches the stomach, it will be mixed with gastric juice. So what is gastric juice? Gastric juice is a highly acidic substance that will roughens up the food and covers it in acid-triggered enzymes, and it will also turn the food into this creamy paste called chyme. So have you ever wondered how certain people can eat so much? This is because the stomach is the stretchiest digestive tube in the body, and it can hold 2 until 4 liters of materials. That's a lot. The stomach is lined with the 4 same layers found through most of the GI tract, and those layers are the mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa, and serosa. So the muscularis has an additional layer of smooth muscle that gives it an extra strength, makes it extra strong, not only to hold more materials but also to actively squeeze the food or materials around and move them around. So that is why sometimes we can feel our tummy rumbling and it's as if something is moving inside our body. Our stomach has parietal cells which releases the hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is a substance more acidic than battery acid. and it also helps prevent or keep away all the bacteria, viruses and other stuff that makes you sick. It also helps denatures or change the shape of the proteins so that it will be easier for the enzyme to digest them. Hydrochloric acid combines with an inactive pepsinogen that is secreted by another kind of stomach cell called chief cells. So the mixture of both will create a protein digesting enzyme. Together, they can destroy almost anything they encounter.
Hello! Here we are in the duodenum where most of the digestion and absorption occurs. The liver creates bile which is then stored in the gallbladder. When the chyme enters the duodenum, the enteroendocrine will secrete hormones that in charge to tell the gallbladder to contract and release bile into the duodenum. Another crucial organ is pancreas. It releases three enzymes, trypsin and peptidase to break down protein to amino acid. Second is lipase that turn triglycerides to fatty acid and glycerol. And lastly, enzyme amylase that breaks down carbohydrates into glucose and fructose.
Now we're in the lining wall of the small intestine. This wall has a finger-like projection which is called villi and increases the surface area of absorption and absorbs all the macromolecules. The materials that are absorbed are then transported into the bloodstream to be distributed out to cells of the body. And that, my friend, is the end of digestion and absorption in the small intestine. As the undigested materials reaches the end of the small intestine, it will pass through the cecum to enter the large intestine, or known as colon. And yes, our food has become feces. So the main function of the colon is to recover bad water that enters the alimentary canal. That's why feces, bacteria and also undigested materials will become more solid as it passes through the colon. All those bad stuff will be then stored in the rectum and lastly will be eliminated from the anus. And yes, we don't need those anymore. And yes, that's the end of digestion.
Hey Aqilla, are you hungry? Yes, I'm hungry too. To eat egg sandwich. Oh, yes, sausage!
Run.
Five minutes later.